Hello everyone, myself Dipti Champaneria, teacher at Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. And today we are going to learn our Unit 3 poem Little by Little. Dear children, do you know even the biggest trees begin life as a tiny seeds? Now let's read about poem Little by Little. Little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sipped the dew. Now here, little by little an acorn said as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, means going under the ground. Here, mossy bed for a seed is ground with moist soil where it can grow. It's telling I am improving every day, which means it's growing nicely and slowly every day. Hidden deep in the earth away means under the ground it growing where no one can see. Little by little each day it grew means every day it's growing little. Little by little it sipped the dew means it's taking moisture or water which is under the soil as a food to grow. Now on to the next page. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Now here, from downward means from under the soil, and a thread-like root came out. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot, and after it came out, there is a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear. Here, time passes and new leaves are coming, and the seed is growing from seed to root, to leaves and to branches. And the slender branches spread far and wide. Here, the thin branches are spreading in all the directions till it becomes strong and powerful and becomes forest's pride. So children, this was the journey of a mighty oak tree. Now let's look at the new words. Hidden, slowly, downward, slender, mighty, branches, pride, and improving, sipped and shoot. Now let's look at the new words with meaning and sentences. First is hidden, means kept out of sight, and the sentence is the keys were hidden under the pillow. Slowly, at slow speed. Sentence, the snail crawled slowly in the garden. Next, downward, meaning to go down, and the sentence is the eagle glided downward to its nest. Slender means very thin. Sentence: she carried a slender bag. Mighty means strong, powerful. Sentence: the mighty soldiers fought the war bravely. Next, branches means part of a tree. And the sentence is: the branches broke in the wind. Pride, to be proud of something. Sentence: pride always has a fall. Improving, to become better. Sentence: my grades are improving in every test. Next is sip, means to drink. Sentence: I sip my coffee with my mother. And the last is shoot. Here in the poem, a new growth of plant from seed germination. And the sentence is: the best time for planting is spring, when the young shoots have just started. Thank you.